What's the range on that?
With the receiver that's in it, probably not much more than the size of the park, I think.
Yeah.
The one in that one is actually better.
Oh, you don't want to talk about it, do you?
Don't really like a lot of wind, they're actually quite light, and this one is only about a kilo.
Yeah.
There's a slight little bit of wind in it. It's more kite flying weather.
Yeah.
Which if I'd have thought about it more, I could have bought one with me.
Kite?
Yeah.
Big one? No. I'm thinking about it's fairly big, isn't it? I'd like one. I'll tell you what I would like. It's a kite with the old skateboard.
Yeah, I've got quite nice.
Yeah.
Well, you've got a Delta type, bolt stunter, is it? Or, yeah. They're quite good on their own. But
Yeah, they're not bad. It's quite
power quite bloody good stuff. I do not go like that, he's actually doing it too good. I got nagged out of the house, didn't I?
Yeah.
Well, yeah, it is a good thing, I suppose.
Starting to get a little bit lift as well this one in places, so when it does start blowing, it flexes a little bit too much.
Oh, I'm going to be upset for the rest of the day. We'll get down to town to the sports shop. What are we going down here for? That boy, see it's like this. Let's have a look at this shop here. About going into the petrol one then?
No, because you need insurance there, really.
Yeah.
You've got to join a club.
You've got to join a club, get a licence, everything else.
Yeah, and they are very messy. I work with a guy who's done them for years.
He goes for helicopter.
Yeah.